welcome. Shadow DLR12 here. Signing on to YouTube once again in order to find you guys the exceptional comedy that you usually see. Today we're going to be looking at a song video that is viral called, you guessed it, Chocolate Rain. So here it is.
Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. A baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain. The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and say the well will dry. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. Forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance.
Okay, does someone else find this creepy that this guy is... Okay, this is pretty funny. I mean, this kid looks like he's like 8 years old, but he's like got a huge freaking... This is freaking hilarious. However, I know this is just lip syncing. I hope. I don't know what else to say about this music. It's kind of funny to see that this guy is this. I really don't understand. Well, I'm not gonna listen to this whole thing because I'm gonna really have to get some stuff done. But I will say that this is a pretty nice video. So leave any suggestions down below for more. I will be seeing you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.